Panel number 12, AI in Literature, Space Odyssey and Isaac Asimov. The bottom left image is a graphic illustration with a dark blue background and a depiction of a robot face in the middle, with one of its eyes with a bright red circle, a white cap, and a red circle drawn behind it with lines coming out like a target. Underneath the face it says 2001 in jumbled up text. The image source reads, image made using ImagineArt with the prompt, quote, 2001 Space Odyssey and the chilling presence of HAL 9000, unquote, in vector style. The second image depicts the cover of the classic novel I, Robot by Isaac Asimov with a bright red background and a blackish gray full body robot with bright light eyes and a black and grayish roundish form on the bottom that looks like he is standing upon a planet. That image source reads, original book cover of Isaac Asimov's I, Robot designed by human Earl Norham in 1950. Text language begins. AI's impact on literature may seem like a new frontier, but its roots stretch back to the iconic works like 2001, A Space Odyssey. The chilling presence of HAL 9000, the sentient AI that questions human control, serves as an early exploration of the power and peril of machine intelligence. Today, that vision is becoming reality as AI transforms how stories are written and consumed. The following quote is by J. Cole, WVU Senior Advisor to the President. Quote, Isaac Asimov is an excellent example of how science fiction influences science fact. Asimov's These Laws of Robotics, initially articulated in his 1942 science fiction short story, Runaround, have been cited as an inspiration by generations of researchers, scholars, programmers, and entrepreneurs, as well as other authors and artists. Asimov's stories lead people to think deeply about the relationship between humans and robots, the ethics and evolution of AI, and the benefits and risks that technology poses to society. Wherever AI takes us in the future, Asimov's science fiction will forever be a part of our journey. The West Virginia and Regional History Center has one of the world's largest collections of Asimov's work, including a rare first edition of his I, Robot collection of stories that have shaped the fields of robotics and AI since the 1940s. Asimov was also a prominent explainer and popularizer of science and many other topics to general audiences. The West Virginia and Regional History Center's Asimov collection demonstrates the breadth and depth of this nonfiction writing, unquote. Text language continues. Writers now collaborate with AI to generate ideas, craft plots, and co-write narratives, challenging our concept of authorship. For readers, AI curates personalized book suggestions and even shapes interactive storytelling. But as AI's role grows, so do concerns, such as, will human creativity be overshadowed by machine efficiency? Can literature maintain its soul in an age of algorithms? And what happens when machines become creators? The text source reads, aside from the J. Cole quote, text written combining Perplexity and ChatGPT with the prompt, quote, write accessible and provocative exhibit text around AI and literature featuring Space Odyssey, unquote, edited by humans.